happy 80th Independence Day to one and all.
Yeah.
Okay, firstly, I would like to start my address by thanking respected Father Biju, the principal, teachers, parents, and complete staff of St. Francis. This is an enormous school gathering, an enormous school function organized by you all. I can see the effort that has been put in, and I must admire. I have no word. In fact, you all need to give a big round of applause to you, all of you. Give a big round of applause. Okay, the independence starts with the flag hosting. When you see our flag, the flag hosting on top is not a 5 minutes parade that we've done today. It has taken years of sacrifice, years of hard work, years of blood and soul, which has been sacrificed for this country by a lot of persons prior to independence, after independence, and things like that. We have had attacks. We are still facing problems in many parts of the country, wherein the citizens of the country contribute a lot. Citizens does not mean only soldiers. All right? Okay. Now, first thing is that you must appreciate. आप सब young बच्चे हैं. You are all growing, and you are all going to face lot of challenges in life. So you have to work hard and prepare for that. These challenges does not mean only पढ़ाई लिखाई. The future challenges may be concerned with AI, may be concerned with other forms of the country. It is challenges from within, challenges from outside, challenges from across, challenges on the internet. You are going to be facing all the challenges, so you have to work hard, prepare yourself to meet and face all the challenges. All right. Now, next thing I would say, India is now progressing very steadily. You are building foundation of a very developed, very strong nation, and the nation it only depends on you. You are the future of this country. Being students, being young students who are going to contributing. Now, building a nation does not come only building an army. Strength of a nation is all its citizens. It's all you, me, anyone who is doing his job. You have to have a strong character, you have to have a strong discipline, you have to have a lot of compassion for those people who are poor, people who are weak. Have a big heart, help them. Okay? And this is what we try and teach you in NCC. NCC is not only wearing a uniform, NCC is much more than that. It's trying to teach you basically character, discipline, compassion, integrity, and love for your nation. That's what you need to have. Now, with these challenges, I want you to focus on couple of factors which I think are important, which are going to be very important for you to imbibe in your life for your future. First thing is character. Character does not mean doing things right. It means doing everything right when nobody is watching. When your teacher is not in class but you are punctual, when nobody is telling you but you are studying, when nobody is telling you to do something the right way. Please do things right way. Build a strong character. Strong character helps you build your future. Next thing I would like to tell is competence. It's a very, very competent age. I just want to share with you, my daughter scored 95.8% in class 10. And this was too less to get science in class 11.
Okay.
Cutoff for 11th was 98%. Competence levels are going very high. Please prepare. Please be prepared. You will do your best. God forbid, in spite of that, if the result is not up to the mark, you still have to find a way. So please make yourself available to beat the challenges. Competent. Build your competence. It's not just I should be able to do plan B, plan C, plan D, and so on. You should have various things chalked out in your mind. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Don't stop at something. Third thing is courage. Courage means you have to stand for what is right. Don't be afraid. If somebody is doing something wrong, face it. Be able to challenge what is wrong and to be able to stand for what is right. Have the courage. Fourth important thing, very important thing in today's world is compassion. Compassion means daya ki bhavana. Please have compassion for people who are weak. For people who are coming from weak, poor backgrounds, help them. Helping others is the biggest thing. It will give you a lot of. There is somebody called God, and God is always saying, bless you. He is looking for you and your qualities. When you help others, God will help you. Alright? These things. And fifth, final thing which I want to tell you is your commitment to the nation. Commitment to the nation does not mean wearing uniform. Somebody not wearing uniform, Father Biju and his complete team, complete staff are doing things very, very religiously, very, very dutifully. So they are the most competent human. Compassion, commitment to the nation is by anyone in any job, in any challenge that you are being tasked to do. Please do that. National building does not mean that you only do it for by the soldiers. It is by each and every citizen of the country, and you are the future of this country. All right? Okay. I would just say that try improve upon yourself, build your character, build your knowledge, and build yourself to meet the challenges. And let us pledge whatever life takes us, we will remain disciplined, honest, courageous, and committed to our nation. Okay? With these words, I again want to thank Father Biju and the complete staff of St. Francis for inviting me to be a part of your function today. Thank you so much.